Hi Zuma, this is going to be a quick video that's going to show you how to submit your your Unit 1 Activity 1 Scanning TV listings answers. So I haven't completed all the answers here, but let's pretend that I've finished this document. Okay, so it's automatically saved in my Google Drive. I don't have to go up here and find a save every time I do anything. Like if I type anything here, it's automatically saving. Okay, so everything is automatically saved in a Google Doc. So what I need to do though is I need to take this document and I need to submit it on the website. So if I go back to the ENG3E website, and if I go back to the Unit 1 Activity 1 announcement and click here to go inside the activity, it's taken its time here, but when it opens, you're in the content, right? So of course, I hope that you've watched my video and gone through the content and learned the lesson, and then you can click on assignment here or assignment here. It takes you to the same place, and so we go to the Unit 1 Activity 1 assignment page. And if you watched my video here, you'll see me submitting the assignment exactly like I'm showing you now. So if you want more detail, you can watch this video here. But I know you've been to this page because you've taken a look at the TV listings and you've answered these questions, right? So now what you want to do is you want to click on Dropbox right below the assignment title. And this will take you into the Dropbox where you submit your assignment. And so it'll say submit assignment. You go add file. And since you're using Google Docs, everything is saved in your My Tools to Go Google Drive. So you would click here. And then you would find the document. And in this case, my document is titled U1A1 Scanning TV Listings. And so I would click here, and I would click add, and then I would click submit. And I'm not going to submit this because it's not a complete document. But when you hit submit, it will have it'll give you a message telling you that it was submitted successfully. Okay. One important thing that we need to do though is if you are going to submit Google Docs through your Google Drive, you have to do something first. The school board had a little problem the other day, and they had to reset all of the My Tools to Go accounts so that so they're not connected to the school board website right now. So what'll happen is if you click add a file, you might not see Google Drive here right now. So in order to get Google Drive here, in order to have access to your Google Docs, what you need to do is you need to follow my announcement. Sorry, if I go back to the course homepage. You need to follow my announcement here where I said link My Tools to Go to course website to submit Google Docs. And so you'll need to go down on the website homepage to where it says Access Google Workplace, and then it'll give you a choice here, and you'll have to authorize and sync up or link your My Tools to Go to the course website. I've already done that. So what you'll see, I've done that for myself. So what you'll see is if I go to the website homepage, you'll see down here Access Google Workspace. You'll see that my Google Drive is already linked. I already have access to it through the course website. But you'll need to do this yourself probably in order to be able to submit your Google Docs assignments. I can do this for you. If you come into class, I can link this if you have any trouble for you, and I can submit an assignment for you. So if you bring a Chromebook or a laptop, or if you just come into class and I can let you borrow a Chromebook in class, I can do this for you, and I can submit the first assignment for you and show you how to do it in person. Or if you want, we can do a Google Meet, and I can show you how to do it online. And so if this video is not helpful, and if my email here doesn't help you submit the assignment, please respond and come into class, or arrange a Google Meet, and we'll figure this out. Okay, I hope this helps.